I'm Susan, and today is day 29 of Junk Journal January, which is hosted by Meg of Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. Be sure and check out both their channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January or Junk Journal January 2024 to see what everyone else has made. And our prompt for today is geometric. So I've just got some geometric shapes and just gonna kind of play. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Here we are, day 29, geometric. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and don't forget to check out Meg and Get Messy Art's channels, as well as those hashtags Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024. So hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.